How to fix WhatsApp business adjust date error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp business adjust date error on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here this one, system and updates. Click on it and then click date and time, and here you will find it. You will find it automatically. You will find it like that. Just enable it and that's it. Now just go back and restart your phone. Click restart here, and now just open WhatsApp business and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.